Let's revise the places in news. Valley of Flowers National Park. In news due to a massive forest fire located in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, forms one of the core zones of the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. The Pushpavati River, a tributary of the Alaknanda, flows through it. A UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to Brahma Kamal, Uttarakhand's state flower. Pangalokha Wildlife Sanctuary. Again in news due to forest fires, located in East Sikkim, close to India-China border. It connects with Bhutan and Neora Valley in West Bengal, forming a trans-boundary green corridor. Hooghly River, West Bengal, in news due to drone mapping of pollution sources. Formed at Nabudweep by the confluence of the Bhagirathi and Jalangi rivers and drains into the Bay of Bengal. Major tributaries include Damodar, Ajay, Roopnarayan and Haldi rivers. It is a tidal river and the lifeline of Kolkata port. Similipal National Park, Odisha, in news due to a rise in Magar crocodile population. It is part of the Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve. Similipal is a national park, tiger reserve, biosphere reserve and part of UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Ratapani Tiger Reserve, Madhya Pradesh. In news due to the sighting of the Asiatic wild dog or dhole, located in the Vindhyachal mountain ranges, the Kolar River forms its western boundary. The reserve includes the Bhimbetka Rock Shelters, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary, Rajasthan. In news for being brought under the Eco-Sensitive Zone framework, located in the Aravalli Hill System, it covers 4 Aravalli ranges, Kumbhalgarh, Sadri, Desuri and Bokhara. Arabian Sea. In news due to unusual bubbling and churning of seawater, lies to the west of India, part of the northwestern Indian Ocean, connected to the Persian Gulf via the Strait of Hormuz and to the Red Sea via Bab el-Mandeb, formed due to the collision of the Indian plate with the Eurasian plate. Banerghatta National Park, Karnataka. Located in the Western Ghats, just south of Bangalore, it lies on a major elephant corridor linking Billigiri Ranganatha Hills and Satyamangalam forests. Andaman Sea. Here, India has launched its first open-sea marine fish farming project. It hosts the smallest island of the Andaman Group, Ross Island, now known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island. India's only active volcano, Barren Island, is also located here. Mount Elbrus. In news after controlled avalanches were deliberately triggered. Mount Elbrus is the highest peak in Russia and Europe, part of the Caucasus Mountains. Located just north of Georgia between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea corridor. It is an ancient extinct stratovolcano covered by 22 glaciers which feed rivers like the Kuban and Terek. For more map-based geography, follow Educhemy.